allowed to enter into this field, but I really wanted to. So I convinced my mom, and I am here. Right now, I am pursuing journalism and mass communication. My hobbies include swimming, painting, playing badminton. Apart from this, I also love to write poems and write-ups. I was very close to my father, but unfortunately, I lost him 2 years back, and I want to make him proud. I believe that if you want to achieve something, you must have a will, because if you have a will, you are already halfway there. Thank you.
Thank you, Aliza. You have a beautiful voice. My question for you is, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. So, I don't know where will I be in the next 5 years, but if I imagine, I'm not sure what I will be or what will I be doing, but I'm sure that I'll be definitely an independent woman. Is not going to tolerate anything or anything from anyone right there. I'll be independent, I'll be successful, and I'll be a woman who is going to inspire other people. I don't know whether in which profession I will be working, but definitely I'll be who's going to inspire other people and who is going to be an inspiration for others too. Thank you.
Thank you, Aliza.
So, is it okay to interrupt right now? Because, ma'am, we are live from Panache Academy page and...
Hello, Khushbu.
Hello, Mehendi ma'am, and hello, Neeti ma'am. Hello, Krishna ma'am. So, good morning. So, just a quick introduction, guys. Right now, we are in the room 2 where we have Mehendi ma'am and Neeti ma'am as a judges, as a jury for the day. And yes, semi-finale rounds have already been started in this room too. And we just now you saw Aliza walking the ramp and she just introduced herself. And now we are going to talk to our juries over here. And yes, so I'll point my camera again to you. Mehendi ma'am, how are you feeling as a part of Panache Miss and Mr. India today?
I feel amazing. We already had a conversation as the jury like day before yesterday, and I loved that everyone said that since we are under quarantine and we have to stay indoors, it's amazing to see so many people making so much out of it, and thanks to the director, obviously. It feels good and people are so beautiful and so talented. I love watching that.
Thank you so much, and we are glad that you are here with us today. Thank you so much. Okay, so next is Neeti ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How are you feeling as a part of Panache Miss and Mr. India? Ma'am, cannot hear you.
Sorry. I think it's a wonderful, innovative idea which the director of Panache has come up with, because looking at the pandemic and things like that, as Mehendi has already mentioned, I think putting a smile on each other's face and with the encouraging people around you to do better, who are passionate about this, I think it's a beautiful platform which has been put forth for every youngster. And the kind of participants which we are seeing is they're full of energy and quite passionate. It's lovely to see all of them.
Thank you, Neeti ma'am. And yes, hope you both enjoy today's entire session. And yes, looking forward to it.
Same here.
And we have our very own Khushna ma'am here, Director Panache. So, ma'am, how are you feeling right now?
Well, this was a journey that just started off with a thought, a simple thought of doing something for the youth of the country. And yes, those thoughts have taken shape. Thanks to you, Khushbu, and the entire team of Panache. We have been able to give wings to our thoughts, and yes, from the time where we started off with the contestants giving their applications and auditions, 5,000 contestants being filtered to 250, and tomorrow onwards, we'll get the top 80 contestants of the country. So, yes, it's been a wonderful journey, a journey which has been not so very easy for the organizers, as this entire pageant was conceived and put into action during quarantine when the entire country is under lockdown. So yes, there were many challenges that we faced, a lot of hurdles that we have overcome, and it's a great feeling to be sitting here in the semi-finale today, and very much looking forward to the finale, which will be on the 6th of June. And since I'm addressing the audience right now, I'd just like to mention the finale is going to be live. There's going to be a live telecast on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook page, and our Insta page. So yes, do join us, and we are looking forward to all the support and love the entire country has been giving us till date. So yes, we look forward to that love and support till our finale, and of course beyond. So see you all on the 6th of June, 4 p.m. onwards. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And that was Krishna Mavari, from Director Panache Academy. And we are really happy to be here today doing
yes,
this
Smiley,
semi-finals.
let's
And very soon you will be seeing our top 80 contestants, 40 boys and 40 girls by tomorrow evening. And yes, day after we have our talent round. So stay tuned with us. We are going to go live with many of our other contestants. Stay tuned. Bye.